Now let's learn how cylindrical surfaces will look in the multi-view drawings. When a cylinder is looked at from the side, it looks like a rectangle. If looked at from the top, it'll look like a circle. A hole is the same. The only difference is that the two sidelines, or the silhouette lines, are hidden. If you see a circle in one of the views in a multi-view drawing, you can assume that there is a cylinder or a hole. You can confirm it if you find two parallel lines that are aligned with a circle in its neighboring views. If the two parallel lines are hidden lines, it is a hole, otherwise it is a cylinder. If a cylinder or a hole is inclined, as shown in the figure, the top of the cylinder will look like an ellipse, not a circle. If a cylinder is trimmed at an angle, as shown in the figure on the right, the section of the cylinder will appear as an ellipse, even if the cylinder is standing straight up.